Okay, here we have the XL Mini Crimping Swage Tool. That's the end result. You get a nice crimp on your smaller diameters of wire. This for 1mm, 1.5, 2 and 2.5mm diameter wire. A nice ratchet system there with a release. The 3 holes, the top one, the small one is for a 1mm, the one in the middle is for the 1.5mm, and the big one at the end here is for 2mm and 2.5mm diameter wires. Okay, what we're going to do now, we're going to show you how it works on each one of the strands with a ferrule. So obviously it's a 1mm wire, so we're going to be using a 1mm ferrule, like for like on the sizes. Just get it threaded through. Dead end at the top, just have poking through a little bit, just recommended the diameter of the wire minimum poking out on the dead end. So if it's a 1mm wire, you want at least 1mm poking back out the dead end, which is the end that you've cut. And then what you do first, two stage crimps. So the first one you crimp nearest the eye, and the second one you crimp at the back. So that's the 1mm. Now we're going to do the 2mm. Sorry, 1.5mm next. Same again, 1.5mm ferrule for the 1.5mm rope. Yep. So the first crimp is nearest the eye. Yep. Press that down. That's the 1.5mm. This is the 2mm. Once again with a 2mm ferrule, so it's like for like. Exactly the same, but now with the 2mm we'll be going on the bigger hole at the back of the jaws. Yep. That's one. That's 2. That's the 2mm, and last but not least, the biggest one it will do is the 2.5mm ferrule for 2.5mm rope. Okay, this is the end result now. So we've got the 1mm, 1.5mm, 2mm and 2.5mm diameters. Gives it a nice finish. And once again with the hardened steel jaws, these should last a lifetime.